Hi, I'm Justin Regis.
And I'm Vange Tapia. Greetings from Silicon Beach, a west side region of the Los Angeles metropolitan area.
It's a nod to Northern California's Silicon Valley, the original tech hub, and home to over 500 different tech companies, including startups.
It is particularly applied to the coastal strip from Los Angeles International Airport north to the Santa Monica Mountains. The term may be applied loosely or colloquially to most anywhere in the Los Angeles basin. Major technology companies that opened offices in the region include Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Facebook, Sony, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and others, while startups seated here include Snapchat and Tinder. By some 2012 metrics, the region was the second or third most prominent technology hub in the world.
Higher education institutions headquartered in Silicon Beach include Loyola Marymount University and Otis College of Art and Design. Did you know that Culver City was once known as the Hollywood of Los Angeles? Today it is known as the heart of Screenland.
This is the place where East Coast movie makers relocate due to the year-round warm and dry climate, which meant more sunny days for filming.
The fledgling industry moved to California due to its fair weather for more days of shooting, proximity to good locations for filming, and presumably to get far away from the courts in the East to make it more difficult for Edison and others to sue for infringement of copyright.
Iconic films such as The Wizard of Oz, Gone with the Wind, a portion of Grease, and the Tarzan series were filmed in Culver City. Downtown Culver City features a buzzing dining scene,
Featuring globally inspired eateries, gastropubs, and cozy cocktail bars. We decided to start the night with a fantastic meal at Bamboo Restaurant. Salud!
Bamboo Bar and Restaurant is located right on the border of downtown Culver City and West LA in the area of Palms. It's a laid-back spot with Latin and international fusion cuisine, creations of Chef Jose Mendoza. This unpretentious space with indoors and outdoor patio is also known for the best fresh squeezed sugarcane mojitos and other delicious beverages.
Whether you are into technology, filmmaking, or a great dining experience, this area is the perfect place to be.